Yeah, we are starting with the example number 5, graph of a linear equations in two variables. Example number 5. Given the point 1, comma 2, find the equation of a line on which it lies. How many such equations are there? I hope question is clear. The point 1, comma 2, you have to locate, and how many equations can have this 1, comma 2 as the solution. Now, for that, here 1, comma 2 is a solution of a linear equation, and for which equations, for how many equations can this 1, comma 2 be a solution? That is the question. So you are looking for any line passing through a point 1, comma 2. An example, for such one example is 1, comma 2 is the solution of x plus y equal to 3. This is the linear equation in two variable which will have 1, comma 2 as a solution, and definitely the line will pass through. The graph of this x plus y equals to 3 will pass through 1, comma 2. And others can be y minus x equal to 1, y equals to 2x. Since they are also getting satisfied by the coordinates of the point 1, comma 2. That means 1, comma 2 satisfies the other two equations also. So I can say this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2, and this is the equation 3. So this 1, comma 2 is the solution for all these three equations. If you substitute 1, comma 2 in these equations, it will satisfy x equal to 1 and y equals to 2. If you substitute here, 1 plus 2 is 3, LHS equals to RHS. So 1, comma 2 is the solution for this equation also. 1, comma 2 is solution for this equation also. How? 2 minus 1, y minus x. 2 minus 1, since y value is 2, x value is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 equals to 1, LHS equals to RHS. Thus, for equation 2 also, 1, comma 2 is a solution. Similarly, even for equation 3 also, 1, comma 2, these coordinates are solution. They satisfy. Which means all these three equations will definitely, when they are drawn as graphs on a Cartesian plane, they will pass through this point. They will pass through this point. So in fact, how many such lines can be drawn through a point? You know, in geometry you learned through one point. In class 6th itself we have learned through one point we can draw infinitely many number of lines, not one or two. Infinitely many number of lines can be drawn through one point. So which means I will have infinitely many number of linear equations which will get satisfied by this 1, comma 2. How I found equation 1, 2, 3. Similarly, I can find infinitely many number of linear equations which are get satisfied by these coordinates of the point 1, comma 2. Is it clear to you, children? If it is clear, thumbs up.
Sir, I got to know how to disable the presenter option for others.
Okay, child. Okay, we will do it. We'll do it.
Sir, wait, sir. I will write last question.
Okay. So here I will say one important point. You learn that infinitely many number of lines can be drawn through a point in class 6. So there are infinitely many number of lines passing through a point means I can have infinitely many number of linear equations having that 1, comma 2 as the solution of them, means getting satisfied by that coordinates of the point 1 comma 2. So this is
Sir,
the
if you plot
Virupanna, tell me. Acha, who is speaking? Piyush?
sir, if you plot 1 comma 2 on graph, sir.
Okay. If we
Sir, then
plot
how
one
means there will be many points, sir.
there will be
Sir,
many
just
lines
like
passing
2
through.
comma 3, 3 comma 4.
What I said is, if you draw lines passing through 1 comma 2, each and every line will represent one linear equation. That means if there are infinitely many number of lines passing through the point 1 comma 2 gives infinitely many number of linear equations which get satisfied by the point, that is coordinates of the point 1 comma 2. That means there are infinitely many number of linear equations which will have 1 comma 2 as their solution. Okay, have you understood, Piyush?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now here what they asked us in this question, they asked us, given the point 1 comma 2, find the equation of a line on which it lies. Find the equation of a line on which it lies. That is the question. That means I found first one. Second, how many such equations are there? For that, infinitely many such linear equations are there. Reason, you see the graphically. 1 comma 2 is this point. Now, through this point, how many lines can you draw? This is the point 1 comma 2.
Infinite, sir. Infinite.
I drew this one line, another line, like this. How many lines can you draw? Infinitely many lines.
Infinite,
Each and
sir.
every line passing through that point will give one equation. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, see,
Yes, sir.
children, you know, when equation is given, drawing a line, vice versa, you do not know. Are you getting what I said? When a line equation is given, you know how to draw the graphically that line. But if the graph is given, this straight line is given, can you tell me what is the equation of it? That you don't know now?
No, sir.
This will come in class 10th. Telling equation for the given graph, given straight line. You will come to know through important concept called coordinate geometry only. There, slope, you will find slope and constant. You will be getting these slope intercept form, class 10th and class 11th. So interlinking you will be having like this. You know how to draw graph of a linear equation as a straight line on a Cartesian plane. Reverse you will be learning in class 10th and 11th. Graph of a straight line is given now. For that equation you will find. Okay. So anyways, keep it that as a something like the extra learning which you are going to do. Here, try to observe. This is the equation. You can watch 0, 3. 0, 3 is this. 0, 3 is this. This is the solution for this equation 1? 3, 0. This is the solution for this equation. And 1, 2. So this is equation 1. And what would be this? Your question. Its solutions are 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on. It is going on. Which will be that equation?
Sir,
Okay.
we have to put value, sir.
No. You will be finding equations. With the help of these points, you will be finding equation. This you are going to learn in class 10. Okay. Now, moving on to the example number 6. Example number 6. Draw the graph of x plus y equal to 7. Do you know how to draw the graph of this equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, draw the
Yes,
graph
sir.
of this equation.
Yes, sir.
First, what to do?
Assume the value of x or y.
Yes. First, I assumed x as 0.
Solutions of them.
Yes, find the solutions of them. Now, what is y?
7.
7.
Very
Sir.
good.
7, sir. 7.
I will assume y as 0 now. What is
I-
x?
Equal
7, sir.
Again,
Sir.
7,
if
sir.
x is 1,
6.
6.
if
6,
y
sir.
is 3,
4.
4.
x is
4, sir.
now you know how to find.
Yes,
And
sir.
Yes,
we'll go for plotting graph. Plot the graph 0, 7. Let's say this is 7. This is 7. And this is 7. 0, 7. Lies on which axis?
YX.
Very good. It lies on
Sir, we can't hear you.
y-axis. Bharat or Sunil, if you are having any
I'm not able to
network
hear
issue,
you.
then only you cannot hear. Okay.
Sir, I'm hearing sir properly.
Yeah, Sunil, is it audible to
I'm
you?
not having any problem.
Yeah,
Yes,
Bharat.
sir.
Bharat was having problem, it
No,
seems.
Sir, I'm unable to hear your voice.
Okay, Girija Shankar, you are not able to
breaking, sir.
hear?
Sir, it's breaking.
Yeah,
His voice is breaking, sir.
yeah. Their voice is breaking because of their
Yes, sir,
network
it is
problem.
becoming very
Breaking, sir.
Yeah. So children, here we will go for representing 0, 7. Which is the 0, 7? This point is 0, 7. Next, 7, 0 is this point. This is 7, 0. So let me say this as a point A 0, 7. Point B 7, 0. So point A, point B. Now 1, 6 lies here. And 4, 3 lies here. If you draw a graph, definitely will pass through these points. Let's try it and we'll go. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is how we do.
Yes, sir.
I have not drawn properly because if I draw also straight, it won't come properly. That's why I just stopped. You draw it.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's move on to the points I have found and I drew now. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is an animation I did. Let's move on to the example number 7. Example number 7. Read the question. Very important question.
That's 4.
You know that the force applied on a body directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Here you have got force applied, F, acceleration, okay, A. Let's say those two are the things. So force applied on a body is directly proportional to the acceleration, means more the force, obviously more the acceleration.
Acceleration.
Why? Because directly proportional. Understood? जितना
Yes,
जोर
sir.
से मैं मारूं उतना जोर से आपके मुंह से आंसर निकलेगा, है ना? ओके, फिजिकली इफ यू आर वुड हैव बीन देयर, अगर कोई गलती किया तब मैं इतना जोर से मारूंगा उतना जोर से ही वो गलती सुधर लेगा. ओके, so force is always directly proportional to the acceleration of the body. Okay, something like the more you force apply and throw a ball, the quick it reaches the maybe bowler or to the wicket keeper. It's something like that. Write an equation to express this situation and plot the graph of that equation. Okay, so how will you convert this situation into equation form? Here, by assuming something like, let the force applied is y, let the force applied is y, let the force applied is y, and the acceleration that it reaches is x. When y is directly proportional to x, to remove that proportionality sign, we will multiply x by the proportionality constant called k. Okay, where k is positive, first point positive, proportionality constant. In physics, we write like this. So when
Sir, what is proportionality constant?
proportionality constant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Okay, very good. ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್? ಕನಿಷ್ಕ. ಹೌದಾ? Can I speak to you in Kannada sometimes whenever you require?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕನಿಷ್ಕ ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಅ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಅ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್, one notebook cost 35 rupees. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
10 notebooks definitely will cost
3, sir. 350.
30.
350.
Okay, one book and 10 books and 350. And the more the books I purchase and more the
Value.
Price increase.
price increases. At what rate they are increasing? They are increasing at the rate of 35 rupees.
35 rupees per one
Correct
book,
na?
per book.
Suppose
Yes,
if I purchase X number of books, what will be the cost of that books?
X rupees.
35 into x.
35
35.
Y.
Understood? 35 times of the X. Correct na? Here,
Yes, sir.
Here 30.
remember, I am equating it to like this. Y will give number of books and 35 into X. Let's say Y equals to 35 into X, where more the books, let's say number of books is Y variable and
Yes, sir.
cost of the books is the other variable, and their ratio, always their ratio increases at the rate of 35. So this is called proportionality constant or ratio constant. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
So this K works as Y upon X is always that K, which is a ratio constant, or we call it as proportionality constant. Okay. For the
Yes, sir.
one notebook, X1 rupees. For Y2 notebooks, X2 rupees. And for Y3 notebooks, X3 rupees. All this will definitely will be at the rate of 35 only increased, equal to that constant K. So this is what we learned in class 8, direct
Yes,
and
sir.
inverse variation, if you could remember.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
in that,
sir.
in the chapter 8 standard,
These are-
direct and inverse variation, this is what direct proportionality. Direct
A by
proportionality.
B equal to C.
Yes,
Yes.
perfect. So you know all this, I'm just interlinking, nothing else. So here I am taking one of the variable y as force applied, another variable the acceleration that it is, okay, with which the body is moving is x. So definitely y is equals to k times x. This k, if you fix, okay, somebody said, sir, I don't want to take k, I will take a fixed number, I'll take it as a 2, then it becomes y equals to 2x. At the rate of 2, it increases every time. Or if somebody takes k as 3, so y equals to 3x. By taking different values for k, I will get different values producing different equations. Have you understood, children?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, K
Yes,
can
sir.
never be 0 and negative, sir.
yeah, we said positive, Nikhil. I said positive. If I take it 0, so their ratio constant becomes 0, means obviously they are, y value is becoming 0. Then only the y upon x becomes 0. So that's why
Okay,
I said
sir.
k is a
Thank you.
constant, but before that I said it is a positive constant.
Okay, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Welcome.
So y and x are equal or not, sir?
Can be equal if k is 1. Okay, y equals to x happens. When it happens? When k is 1. Understood? Remember, children, all these, if you plot a graph, of all these, y equals to x or y equals to 2x or y equals to 3x or anything, they will definitely will pass through the origin.
Sir, in K place, which any alphabet we can take, sir?
Yeah, in the place of k, you can take any alphabet. Okay. Normally, in coordinate geometry, we will take m. And we call this m as a slope. We call it a slope. You'll come to know later in class 10th, and later you'll come to know that is called m, slope. And y equals to mx plus c. This is slope intercept form of a linear equation in two variable, which is standardly known, which is standardly called graph of a straight line will produce equation in two variables of the slope intercept form called y equals to mx plus c, where m is slope, c is x intercept. Okay, x intercept or y intercept? It is called intercept. In my mind, it is not there. I'll better not to say wrong things. It is called intercept. Which intercept? I'll tell you later. Is it clear, children?
Sir.
Yeah. Then
Yes, sir.
moving on to the tell Bharat. Prajwal Gowda.
Sir, how is it useful in real life situations, sir?
Superb question.
To
Definitely it is useful. Definitely it is useful. Now, you tell me any astronaut, he must have what background?
Astronaut, sir.
Kalpana Chawla. Yes. I'm
Yeah.
talking about them. Kalpana
Sunita
Chawla.
Williams.
Okay, Smita Williams. What background do they supposed to have? Physics background, will you accept or
engineering.
not?
Engineering and
Especially
aeronautics.
aeronautics engineering or physics knowledge. Actually, Kalpana Chawla is a graduate in honors degree she has got from Bachapur University in physics. Later, she pursued her MS from the MITS, Michigan Institute of Technologies. So, actually speaking, physics knowledge is essential, right? So, projectile motion. You know projectile motion? Rocket moves in projectile motion, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. With which force it has to be projected to reach the destiny, the angle of changing, the projection, all that happens when you calculate it well in advance, right? They will calculate what must be the fuel burning, how much fuel has to burn, at what point it has to change the direction. Okay, all that happens only when you have this knowledge. This is going to force and acceleration. Okay, that has to move faster
Sir,
to get escape from the Earth's gravity.
Yes,
So
sir.
with
It's
which
8
force it
kilometer
has
per
to
second,
move,
sir.
so that it moves out of that gravity. All that is calculated, pre-calculated. All that's pre-calculated with the
Sir.
help of this knowledge.
sir,
Okay, is
not
it
only
clear?
in rockets, even in building automobiles, sir.
Exactly. Many are there. Not only this, you take a layman such as Injamamul Haq. Do you know Injamamul Haq?
No, sir.
Well-known cricketer, yeah, from Pakistan. Okay. Injamamul Haq was a well-known cricketer from Pakistan who never spoke in English, who is just a second, third, fourth standard candidate, and who always used to speak in Hindi or Urdu. He is very good cricketer. Why? Because he has this practical knowledge with what he has to throw from the place he is fielding to the. So he knows with what force it has to be thrown. Somebody is turned on their mic. Please turn off. My voice is raised by me only. So have you understood? Actually speaking, even a layman can use this knowledge. Maybe not learning as such practically, he is using. Okay. So you have seen this coming in such later stages. The force, if you apply, take as y units, and acceleration produced as x units, and automatically here we have from the ratio and proportion, you can say that y equals to kx, and where k is a positive constant, and let us consider k as 3 and y equals to 3x, and here you are plotting a graph of y equals to 3x. I have plotted a graph of y equals to 3x. Have you understood? Okay, children, 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 6. I have taken and plotted a graph. And you remember, you draw any graph of y equals to kx will passes through the origin. Will definitely pass through the origin. Why? Because there is no constant term here. If you write it in a standard form, it looks like this way. A constant is 0, A is 3, B is -1, C is 0. When there is no constant, definitely that line will passes through origin. Is it clear? These are all important points. In linear equation in two variable, if there is a constant 0, if C becomes 0, definitely that line passes through the origin. That means 0, 0 is one of the solution of it. Okay, here decline. Girija Shankar, I am declining. Remarks. The graph of the equation of the form y equals to kx is a line which always passes through the origin. I explained now. Okay, this is important point. Now, question number 8. For each of the graphs given in figure 4.5, select the equation whose graph it is from the choices given below. Okay, figure 1. Out of these two choices, which one it is of?
Sir, x plus y is equals to 0.
Okay, is it so?
X plus y is equals to 0, sir.
Second one.
0. Is 1 plus 2 equals to 0?
Sir, second one. Sir, second one, y is equal to
See the
2x.
point.
Y is equal to 2x, sir.
1 plus 2.
Y
It's
is
not
equal to
equals
2
to
and
Sir,
x is equal
second.
to 1. Sir, x is equal to 1
Sir,
and y
second
is
one,
equal
sir.
to 2.
Correct na?
Second one, sir.
Have you understood?
Sir,
Y.
Sir, second one
Sir,
only, sir.
second one, y is equal to 2x.
Yes. Have you understood? Observe the points and substitute in those which get satisfied, that only. Next. Oh, equation. Yeah. Amongst this, tell me. Let us see who will say quickly.
Sir, y equal to 2x plus 4.
Y equal to x minus 4, sir.
Amongst the third and fourth, you have confusion. Okay, 0, 4 satisfies both, isn't?
Third one, sir.
And
I-
1, 6. 1, 6. 1, 6. When I substitute here,
The third one, sir.
6 equals to 1 minus 4 is not true. So 1, 6 lies in this line.
Sir, y is
Yeah.
equal to 2x.
6 equals to 2 of 1 plus 4. This is right. So third one is correct. Have you understood how to check?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
y equals to x minus 4 is wrong. Because when you substitute 1, 6, in third only it is getting satisfied rather in fourth. Okay.
Sir, I
next
can
question.
explain this one, sir.
Akash,
Sir,
Sir,
okay.
we must first
What we
find.
have to do?
Sir?
You substitute the point in the given equation third and fourth. 0, 4 satisfies both. Satisfies both. When you substitute 0, 4 makes LHS value equals to RHS. See?
Yes.
4 equals to 2 times of 0 plus 4. 4, 2 into 0 is 0. This is, I'm doing separately. This is RHS. RHS is 2 of 0 plus 4. X value is 0 na? Here. I substituted. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 equals to 4. So this 4 is LHS value. Y. Y is 4. Okay. So LHS value, RHS value is getting satisfied by 0, 4 in equation third also. Even in equation 4 also it is satisfied. LHS is Y. It is 4. RHS x minus 4, when I substitute 0 minus of 4, 0 minus of 4 is minus 4. Oh, it is not equal, sir. LHS not equal to RHS. Why? Because it is negative 4, it is positive 4. So
Yes,
0,
sir.
4 when I substitute itself tells third only the equation. Have you understood? Akash?
Yes, sir.
Just
sir.
do
Yes,
one thing.
sir.
Take the one of the point or one or more points, substitute in the equation and observe which equation is
Sir.
getting satisfied. Yeah.
Sir, if these coordinates are not given on a graph, only this line is given.
Only line is given.
The line
You
is
will
given.
find the coordinates.
Points. And we can do, sir.
Yes, exactly. That's what. But equation is not given now. You have to check.
Okay, sir.
Equation is given, then only
But-
you will cross check. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Line and equation. Line and options of equations. Yes. Moving on to the next
Okay.
question. Now tell me.
Sir, fourth one.
Shora?
Sir, third one.
Fourth one, sir. Fourth one.
Sir, fourth
Fourth
one.
one,
Fourth
sir.
one.
Substitute the points.
Fourth one, sir.
You know points 2,
Fourth
0,
one.
1, minus 2, 0, minus 4, minus 1,
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Fourth
Okay,
one, sir.
fourth one.
Minus 1, minus.
Fourth one.
That's what. You substitute the points and identify. You know what to do. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Out of these
Yes,
4
sir.
options, which one is correct? You choose. You know that. Okay, I'm stopping today's session with this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me first
Yes, sir.
start
Bye,
the
sir.
recording, children.